All right, out here for the Arrma rocket car launch. GoPro set up, got the drone in the air, got a camera on my remote. We got steering this time since it's an actual RC. Got another camera set up over here. There's the rocket car. I'm gonna stand behind it so I can steer it. All right, here we go. Just gotta power on the car and light the fuses. All right, here we go, lighting the fuses. We got 2 rockets. One's set up to go right away. The other one's gonna go off about 3 to 4 seconds after it. So we'll keep that. There's about 3 to 4 seconds of a big burst, and then it goes into just a smooth thrust.
That's what she said.
Uh-oh, here we go. A little bit of technical difficulties. I couldn't see a thing. I couldn't see a thing. Son of a... That was a bad spot to be. It smoke screened me and I couldn't see to steer. That sucker went right into the curb. Oh boy.
I'll tell you what. Up he was going.
Yeah, shoot. I should have been off to the side a little bit. I didn't even think of that smoke.
Yeah, I didn't hear it. Holy cow.
Well, it's not that bad of damage. It looks like it's this one wheel.
Yeah.
The rocket mount is on. That's awesome. The rockets blew out. Awesome.
Lower some more rockets.
$30 in rockets right there, but we learned a little bit not to stand right behind it.
Yeah.
Dang. Hopefully we got some good shots still. But I guess another shout out to Wayne B, because he's had 2 of his wheels blow off like that, so there we go. Body over there somehow. Dang. Well, we didn't go but about 15, 20 feet. There it is. Arrma rocket car number 1. It'll be back.